How to use hands-free mode on Instagram or story in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to firstly go to the Instagram app and then click on home page and then click on the add app button in the top left corner. When you click on this, then you have to go to the storage tab, and then here you can see in the side menu you can see the in the left corner, left side corner, you can see these all these options. You have to click on this arrow pointing to the down, and here you can see when you click on this, then you can see all these options. You have to click on the hands free in the bottom. When you click on the hands free button, then what you can do is you can simply record a video without holding hands. So what you can do is you can firstly uh, click on the this record button, and it this button, and then here you can apply changes to them. So that's it, that after applying change you can add emojis, you can add texts. So after this you can share to a story. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video and comment below that it works. Have a good day.